Hi, I'm Lori Pine. I'm the Operations Manager for Whistler Community Services Society. I wanted to drive an EV because I was spending $450 a month on gas and constantly going to the gas station. I did feel it was a little bit ahead of my time, but I really couldn't justify spending $500 on fuel anymore. Here at Whistler Community Services, we really pride ourselves in sustainability. And one of the things I did to work towards that was apply for a grant with BC Hydro in order that I could install a level 2 charger at my workplace. I used to drive a used car that would break down all the time. I used to spend a lot of money on fuel. And with my EV, I know how much money I'm going to spend every month. There's no parts in it or bits and pieces that break down. The maintenance is very low. There's no oil changes. There is a little secret with my car. My car has a gas generator and it will charge my battery. So if I don't charge my car, I have the benefit of using my gas generator, but it really bugs me because I bought an EV and now I'm using gas. But I do feel strongly now that I manage it better and that I won't need that in the future. I think just starting anywhere is good, and any amount of fuel you can cut down on is good. And it's become kind of like a competition for me to not use fuel in my car. And when's the last time did I put gas in the tank? I actually couldn't tell you right now because I don't know when that was.